Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. So we're finished here for the Mustang wheel well, tire smear well. So you have plenty of attachments to do the job right. So I call it a fork. That I used to get in here, areas like that, stuff like that. Over here I used it. Can be used more, yeah, but we want to. All you have to do is get it in the general area where it used to be supposed to be. Then you fine tune it from the bottom, or a couple taps with a good mallet. I'm sorry, good hammer, blow, not dead blow, but this one for full areas. Like you want just the whole. You want the whole damn thing to pop down. Just put that in the middle. But for the more contoured areas, you use the fork, and sometimes it will poke. Sometimes the fork can't poke a hole, but that was already damaged. So that was probably happening no matter what. I mean, could you have used this here? Sure. But I use, I like using my tools. So, do you have to get all this? No. Well, I'm not. I mean, and my wonderful friend Chris, who I'm doing this for, I'll just surprise him now on YouTube. This is all for free. I'm not charging this guy, man. My father was a veteran. My father was in Vietnam. A bunch of uncles, cousins. I never made it to the army. I got into much trouble in high school and middle school. So, yeah. But anyway, there you go. Use the tools that the kit gives you to do the job the right way. Now I'll go from the bottom. I'll tap those holes closed with a hammer, if they have a little bit of meat in front of it to close it, and then I'll tack weld it. A little bit of seam sealer, or I'll use caulk. I don't care. Oops. And there you go. I don't know if you saw this from the beginning, but this was really bad. I'm trying to get some side view so you really see that it went down a lot. All right. Like I said, the kit comes with a lot. Definitely use it. A lot of pieces. That's what I started off with. Okay. Again, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate your time. See you in the next one.